So Parth, let's talk about Kroma Coatings. I know you all are a relatively new company, but you have a lot of products and services. Tell us about all that you offer to the finishing and coating industry.
Yes, so we at Kroma Coatings, we like to be in all markets, all industries that offer powder that do powder coating services. We work with customers that do automotives, that mainly do automotives and retail customers, all the way to customers that mainly just do industrial type coatings and
Hmm.
stuff like that. So, and we have a product line that kind of tailors to everybody. We offer regular exterior durable and super durable products, as well as interior durable products, as well as specialty products as well, in terms of antimicrobial insulated coatings or high heat resistant specialty coatings as well.
Right, right. Yeah, I know when you and your partners started this, you did some very intensive training in the industry before you opened your doors. You kind of just when you decided this is what you were going to do. I know you went to a lot of some industry specialists and got some training and classes and things like that. And that's like I said, how you come to offer up some of these products. Specifically, what type of products are you talking about? I know I know especially powder coating, but I know there's very different many types of those, right?
Yes, yes, there are different types of powder coatings. There's certain coatings that are geared towards more so exterior durable, so
Hmm.
coatings that have to withstand weatherability, corrosion, salt, UV, and stuff like that. And then there are coatings more so geared towards interior products, or products that have to withstand a lot of chemical, like a lot of cleaning chemicals or solvents that they used in the application, oils, grease, stuff like that. Those are usually the main two categories, and then we also get into specialty coatings, coatings that are kind of made and formulated for one specific use case. Kind of the two that come into mind are antimicrobial coatings, that a lot of medical suppliers use to, like for example, to coat cabinets in doctors' offices and surfaces as well. And then another one is high heat resistant coatings. We have some customers that make fireplaces and coat grill grates and stuff like that. So we make sure that those types of coatings could withstand flame and heat and not deteriorate really quickly over time.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, you all have been going for a relatively short period of time, but I know one of the things that you've learned is that a lot of the shops you're dealing with, they sort of have some specific needs, which is, maybe smaller orders or, getting things in on time with that. And I know you all have really focused on customer service for these shops because they don't get it, I think, sometimes from some of the bigger vendors that are out there.
Yeah, we like to have a more of a personalized touch when we're dealing with our customers. We want to be there. We want to be someone on the other side of the phone that they can call up and get direct answers from. If there's any issues with the powder, or if they have any questions on upcoming projects that they're thinking about might be taken on. So we like to have a really personalized customer service, side of things, so that way they always feel comfortable dealing with us, and that there's no, if there are any issues in the future, that they feel confident that we can resolve them for them.
Right, right. You all are located in Columbus, Ohio, and you make your products in Columbus, Ohio. How far can you ship out and deal with other with finishers? Is it just regionally, or are you all over? With that?
Oh, right now we've been mainly working with in our Midwest region, but we're able to ship everywhere. We've had some customers in California and Florida reach
Mm,
out to us, and we've sent orders to them as far as that way. We've actually even worked with one company in Canada and one company in India as
mm.
well. So, we're ready to work with anybody that's willing to give us a chance, and we're able to ship to all around the world and nationwide.
Right, right. Yeah, you mentioned, like I said, focus on small, medium-sized shops right off the bat here, which have a lot of unique requirements, and for example, may need a different type of coating kind of sent to them quickly if they get a batch project or something like that. And again, is that
Yeah.
something you've seen with a lot of those consistently with a lot of those different shops? They sort of have the same needs, don't they?
Yes, yes, they all very have similar needs, especially when it comes to some of the smaller job shop type customers. Their business model thrives on low lead time and being able to turn around projects quickly for their customers. And that also requires them to be able to get product at a very fast and reasonable time as well, so that way they can keep their customers happy as well. So we try to get the powder to our customers ASAP within 1 or 2 days, and try to make sure that they're getting the most fresh batch available as well.
Right, right. Like you said, you all being kind of relatively new, but you know what you're doing as far as making the powder coatings. But what have you taken away from visiting a lot of the shops and seeing what they're doing? Is there a sense of how how those shops are doing, and basically learning what their needs are? I'm sure with that.
Yeah, a big takeaway from visiting all these shops and talking to those customers is finding out, all their unique needs and problems that they might be having, and trying to come up with solutions to try to solve those problems for them in a way that's less of a headache for them, and more of a straight lined um, process.
Gotcha. Like I said, people can visit you at your website, Kroma Coatings .com. And like I said, I guess you send them out information. I guess you got you got a very good website that shows a lot of information about the different
Thank
products
you.
that you've got, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we when we made our website, we wanted to highlight all the products that we were able to produce and provide to our customers. Yeah, they can go to our website to get all the information about different colors that we offer, as well as different products that we offer, and different finishes that we offer. And they can always reach out to us directly via email or phone number as well. If they have any questions or if they have any urgent needs, they can always reach out to me directly and get me on the phone, and I'll help them out, as quickly as I can.